Pavement. It lines the paths we journey every day. No matter where we are from or where we are going, we expect it to be there. Smooth, pointing us in the right direction. At Advanced Pavement Group, we recognize that it just has to work. Because business doesn't stop. Dinner isn't going to buy itself. Class starts in 3 minutes. Emergencies happen. Because you've waited all year for this. Because community comes first, and community needs a foundation. For summertime hopscotch, important first steps, and New Year's resolutions. We understand what asphalt, concrete, and drainage mean to you. That's why we apply advanced thinking to plan projects using our industry knowledge and hard-earned experience. Advanced technology to enhance visibility and ensure success. Advanced commitment to be the best in the industry year over year. Advanced performance to consistently deliver the highest value with project managers that understand what deliverables should be. As an award-winning company, we take what we do seriously. So, when it's time to advance your project, it's time for Advanced Pavement Group.